First, connect your router to the PoE switch with a network cable. This gives internet and local access. Now, plug each camera into the PoE switch. Next, run a cable from the PoE switch uplink to the NVR's LAN port. This sends all camera feeds to the NVR. Then, connect the NVR to your monitor with an HDMI cable. This displays your live feeds. And that's a complete setup: 3 cameras, 1 PoE switch, an NVR, and a monitor. First, open EZ Tools on your PC. It will automatically scan your network. Look for your NVR in the device list. Log into the NVR using the username and password. Now that your Uniview NVR is connected, here's how to use Live View, playback, and smart features in under a minute. Go to Live View. Click on any camera to enlarge it to full screen. For playback, select the Playback tab, choose the date and time you want, and review recordings instantly. Click Setup to change camera or system settings. Under Smart, you can enable features like intrusion detection and face recognition. Next, go to Analyzer Config to enable AccuSearch. This lets you search specifically for people and vehicles across your recordings. From Live View, find the AccuSearch button at the bottom right. Select the object or person you want, and the system will show you exactly where and when it appeared. You can even export these results and save them for future reference. And that's how you unlock the smart power of your Uniview NVR.